Welcome to another exciting tutorial where I will be teaching you how to make the skin glow in Capture One. Okay, it's very simple. So the first thing you want to do is to fix the exposure of your picture. If we lift the shadow, if you add shadow, we are going to expose the skin properly. And if we add black, we're going to expose the hair. Okay, so look at the before and after. We are seeing the details of the hair, we are seeing the details of the skin properly. Now we can do the glowing effect. Okay, so to make the skin glow, we only need one brush. Under style brushes, under enhancement, we find add detail brush. So this brush is what we are going to use to brush over the skin to have good details. Okay, and then you can start brushing here. Okay, after brushing over the whole skin, press M on your keyboard to check if you have brushed every part that needs to be brushed. As you can see, we are missing some parts. Okay, so you can just continue to brush. Make sure that the red mask is over the skin of your model. Okay. Okay, now after brushing over every part of the skin, you can press M to remove the mask. Okay, and now we are done. Okay, while we were brushing over the skin, a layer was automatically created while we were brushing. Okay, and this is the layer of the hard detail brush. Okay, so any brush you select under this section of Capture One, the moment you start brushing over, a new layer will be created automatically for that brush. Okay, and so in this way you are safe. You are safe to brush over over your image. You cannot destroy your image because you are doing it on a separate layer that is automatically created from the moment you begin to brush over your image. Okay, so now you can reduce the opacity of this layer. If you think you have done it too much, you can reduce the opacity here, okay, to whatever works for you. But this is the before and this is the after. Look at how much glowing effect we have added to the skin. Look at how actually what we are doing is we are adding details to the skin. Okay, and then by adding details to the skin, we make it glow, and that is the effect it gives you. It makes the skin glow. Okay, so this is one way you can make your portrait more interesting when you are working in Capture One. If you have learned something from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment and share, and please turn on the notification button so that you can get an alert whenever I upload a new video. This is the only way you can support me, by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.